we went ahead and did the sensor modules, and check this out, folks. Pops right out. See that? Snaps in and connects. And we use the mass airflow cleaner, and I used a screwdriver and some compressed air to blow them out. And we did the same thing down here, and also with our electrical connections for the tail lights. What we also did was we crawled underneath and we cleaned these out along with the RDU connection, and both connectors could not release. They were so full of garbage. I had to clean them and beat them with a screwdriver to knock out the dirt and compressed air till I got them out, and now they snap in beautifully. I also went ahead and did the large connector right over here, cleaned it out after beating it with a screwdriver a little bit, and some compressed air in the mass airflow sensor cleaner, then dielectric grease, and that thing snaps in like butter now. So yeah, electrical connection maintenance is important, especially when they're dirty, and now everything snaps together really good. So we're getting ready, since we got this filler tube in, we are getting ready to put the subframe and the RDU back in. So that will be one of the next things we do.